Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And we are continuing to expect some significant snow here in southern New England, but it's not just snow, it's also wind and cold. Here's what I'm tracking. First of all, let's talk about this significant snowfall. There's a winter storm watch in effect for all of our area, and more or less what this means is there's the potential for 6 inches or more of snow. Some areas could be seeing closer to a foot of snow. We are expecting a period of strong winds, mainly late tomorrow night and into the morning on Friday, blowing and drifting snow possible. Could be some outages across parts of southeastern Massachusetts, and there actually could be some blizzard conditions across extreme eastern parts of Mass. And we're also looking at some extreme cold. Temperatures are going to plummet Friday morning, and wind chill factors could be dipping to 15 degrees below zero on Friday. Temperatures right now not all that bad, relatively speaking. 24 in Smithfield, 29 Providence, 28 degrees in Newport. Fairly quiet in the Doppler radar this morning. Not expecting any issues. Newport Harbor, 28 degrees. See a few clouds floating around here, kind of hazy skies. Temperature in Cumberland, the northern part of the state, 25 degrees with a wind from the north-northwest at 5 miles an hour. All right, here's the satellite radar picture. We've got some clear skies at the moment, some clouds around. We've got some snow off to our west, kind of like the leading edge of what eventually will get into our area late in the night tonight. There's really two pieces of this storm system. One down here, we got some energy and some moisture in the Gulf Coast states. We're going to be seeing one area of low pressure get ejected off to our south tonight and help to enhance the snowfall. A second one back here across the northern plains. This one's going to be dipping down across the Virginias and passing on off to our south and east during the nighttime tomorrow night. It's kind of like a second area of low pressure. So we really have two chances of seeing some snowfall here in southern New England. One tonight, maybe a bit of a lull, and then we'll see another area of low pressure develop. Probably the more important one developed tomorrow night and into early on Friday. That one will produce some strong winds and eventually bring us some extreme cold here in southern New England. Let's take a look at it with our Futurecast. Here we are around noontime today, blend of sun and clouds, no problems at all. Into the nighttime tonight, clouds thickening up. And notice after midnight, we begin to see some snow overspreading the area. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, taking you into the daytime tomorrow. Light to moderate snow at times, but there could also be a lull as we're in between those two areas of low pressure. And then taking us into tomorrow night, this is when the winds start picking up, starts getting real cold, and the snow will continue to fall. So to break it all down for you, the snow begins late tonight, light to moderate snow throughout the daytime on Thursday, and there could be a few lulls here and there where nothing's happening. The heaviest tomorrow night, ending late Friday morning, and yes, we're talking about strong and gusty winds, generally 8 to 12 inches across the northern part of the state, down into parts of Bristol County, 68 in the central part and southern part of the state, a lot more out toward Boston. Strong wind gusts as well, gusting to 45 miles an hour in parts of southeastern Mass. In the Providence area, some gusts to 35. Take a look at the temperatures. They'll be plummeting Friday morning. By noontime on Friday, down to 12. That's when the wind chills could be down to 15 degrees below zero. By Saturday at midnight, temperatures down to about 3 degrees or so. But for today, it looks to be pretty quiet with increasing clouds and temperatures in the upper 20s. Snow ending Friday around noon, and then bitterly cold to start the day on Saturday, only around 1 degree or so, but probably feeling below zero with any wind that is around at that time. So a lot to talk about. Important updates coming up later tonight with Tony. He's in at 5 p.m.
All right, TJ, thank you. And now a quick look at what we're working on tonight.